The world of manufacturing is experiencing unprecedented levels of change. The products we use today are more complex than ever. Their design, form, function, even the materials used are constantly evolving, placing greater demands on the manufacturers that produce them. Manufacturers must find new ways to maximize productivity from their existing CNC machinery. To maintain a competitive edge, they should also be able to exploit the full capabilities of the latest hardware and manufacturing processes. High-speed, multi-access CNC machine tools capable of delivering additive, subtractive or hybrid processes offer new manufacturing capabilities and dramatic productivity gains. However, the full potential of these machines cannot be realized without equally capable advanced CAM software. This is why so many of the world's most successful manufacturers rely on Autodesk PowerMill.